from fat to flat in 3 steps. 1. Win bloating and constipation free challenge. 2. 10 minutes AAI home workout every day. 3. Eat AAI slimming bread. Chef Ciano, Coach Morad for AAI Oriental Mix. Thank you, salam!
Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. Today we'll make a Lebanese bread with sun-dried tomatoes, healthy and homemade. Let's go! In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Let's chop some sun-dried tomatoes, something about 30 or 50 grams. Now add them to the dough and knead well. Let's add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now knead all the ingredients until you reach a smooth and homogeneous dough. Give the dough a ball shape and put it in a bowl to help it rise, covered with a towel. Now put the bowl in a dry and warm place, like an oven turned off. Let it rise from 3 to 12 hours, depending if you use dry yeast or sourdough. Look our beautiful dough. Look how much it has risen. Divide the dough in 2 portions. Now flatten the dough and stretch it by pulling and cover it in 8 directions to create air inside the dough ball. Give each dough a ball shape. And if you like the recipe, let us know in the comments. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on top of the bowl. Then flour the rolling pin and roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. If it does, just add some flour until it is about 1 centimeter thick. Then repeat with the other dough balls. Let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat, and once hot, place one of the bread discs inside the pan. Don't overcook it, flip it to the other side. About every 30 seconds for 4 times. Once the bread is ready, place inside a towel to keep it warm. And repeat the process with the other bread discs. So finally our bread is ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. We have also this cute pocket for filling the bread. And it tastes delicious and healthy. Shukran for watching. Leave a comment about your slimming journey, we'd love to hear your progress. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next healthy bread recipes. And I'll see you in the next video inshallah. With love and Maraka, Chef Ciano and Coach Murad.